Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a blue and white eyeshadow look for you guys. As you guys can see, I already did half of my face. Well, not the whole face, but I just did my eye for you. It's a few little steps to it, but it's not that long. So if you want to see more makeup videos like this, just comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and you'll see more makeup looks like this. So if you guys want to see the rest of this video, you can watch till the end. Just keep on watching, and you'll see how I came out with this eye look. So guys, I'm going to come a little closer so you guys can see. So as you guys can see, I didn't put anything else on my face. It's just this eye. So yeah, I actually primed. My camera died on me, but while I was doing it, my camera died. So I already primed my face with my eyeshadow primer, and I already closed it off with some translucent powder. So that's already set. So I don't know. I'm going to think of a cute name for it by the time this video is up. So yeah, so I just did my brow bone area with the white silver color. So next, I'm going to use my Urban Decay palette, which is the electric palette. And I'm going to use the Gonzo color, which is really like blue, like sky blue color. I'm going to take a little bit off my brush and just go into my crease right here. Just like that. So next, I'm going to blend two colors in the same palette. So I'm going to mix the baby blue and the blue together to give that darker crease underneath here. So what I like to do is take a little bit of both twice, and I'm just going to go like underneath right here and just start and just blend that out. So bring it out a little bit. So I didn't start, when I did the white, I started from like about here and I went in. So this little piece right here, I actually blended in the blue. So I'm just blending that blue in right here. And blend it out. And this is where you're gonna cut the crease. So that's why I don't like to put too much product, because when you cut the crease, it's like, you don't want to mess it up. So yeah. So after I blend that in, cut my crease with my eyeshadow primer. So now I'm going to cut the crease. I have a little bit of the product on my makeup brush, and I'm going to cut the crease. I like to pull a little bit. I like to pull it a little bit and look down. So next, I'm going to take this white color and just pack it on. Just like that. And bring it a little bit into the blue. So after that, right? I can either take this paper off and leave it on. I'm gonna just leave it on. So after that part, I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild Mega Liner in the color Voltage Blue. It's a really pretty blue. This line and literally go from the inner corner here and bring it halfway out by my crease. So you have to be really careful because this is wet, and once you mess up, you have to do your whole eye over. So liner. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. It doesn't take that long to dry, but I want to make sure it's not wet when I close my eyes. So while that's going on, I'm just gonna go and look and see what areas I need to fix. You know. Okay, so that should be dry. So now I'm gonna go back in with my dark blue shade. So now I'm gonna go back in with my dark blue shade, and I'm gonna bring it underneath my eyes, like to smoke out my under eyes. I'm gonna bring that blue underneath, and I'm gonna use this pencil, like the pointy one. So after that, I'm gonna go in with the white and smoke out the inner corner right here. Just like that. Okay guys, so now that my eyes are done and completed, I actually blended everything out. Everything looks good, and now I'm gonna actually line my top lids and my bottom. I found my famous e.l.f. Liquid eyeliner. So I'm gonna bring it and I'm gonna do a thin line and a little wing just to like connect right here. So I like to pull my eyes just like this and do a really thin line. So I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Expert Wear by Maybelline in Velvet Black. This is the one I use. That's not liquid. Just like that. And while the top is drying, I'm gonna go underneath and just smoke it out with the black. Okay. So after you line the actual top and the bottom, now I'm gonna apply my eyelash. Where is this dog? Dallas. Guys, hold on one second. I don't know where this dog is. I couldn't find you. You're so small. I can't find him anywhere. I couldn't find you. Where were you? Oh, my baby. He's so tiny. But say hi, Booby. Say hi, Booby. Say hi, you two. Don't give me a kiss. He smells the product on me. He wants to lick my own face. Yeah, he's really tiny. Say hi. Say hi.
Bruh.
Nope.